It doesn't matter how small your bedroom is. If you're ready to put some time and heart into making your small bedroom look bigger, you will. Welcome to Jensen's DIY, and here are 20 smart ideas to make your small bedroom look bigger. 1. This is essential to note down if you are willing to make your small bedroom look bigger. Do not paint your room with dark colors such as red or black. By using a dark paint, you will allow the paint to absorb light. Go for lighter tones such as light blue or off-white. They will keep your mood lighter and provide a more fresh and airy experience. 2. Get rid of all the furniture items that you don't need. There are numerous times when we walk past the furniture shop and think how that dresser is something we really need, when in fact our closets at home are half empty. Do not clutter your bedroom. Think again whether you need that extra side table or not. It is always nice to have more things, but in fact they are just taking up space and increasing your cleanup duty. 3. Since your room is small and you are getting rid of all those useless items, you might try having just one bold wall art instead of numerous photos. That one bold art wall will bring attention to the wall and avoid cluttering. 4. If you want your small bedroom to appear bigger, go for low-heighted furniture. It's always a decent idea to stay away from tables that are too tall for your small bedroom. Keeping low to the ground will make the ceiling appear cleaner and wider. You can also try using a mattress, since a mattress can be easily placed inside the closet when not in use. This will create a lot of space when you are not sleeping. By keeping the bed on the ground, you help the ceiling look more spacious. 5. Just because you like to have lamps does not mean you buy the one with the biggest frame. Small, decent table lamps will work just fine. Instead of having floor lamps, get table lamps. This will save up floor space for you. 6. Have you tried transparent furniture before? If you haven't, you should give it a go. Just the way you should keep the walls a lighter color, keep your furniture not too dark or bulky. Yes, it will take almost the same amount of space, but the trick is that it will allow the eye to keep moving. You can also try lucite chairs in acrylic, which are budget-friendly and easy to customize. 7. The headboard behind our bed hardly comes in use. Remove the headboard and add shelves around your bed. The shelving doubles the amount of space you have in your small bedroom. You can also have built-in shelf panels around the bed. This will create the illusion of depth in the wall, which you can use to place books, keys, photo frames, etc. 8. Mirrors are essential if you want your room to look bigger and spacious. In fact, you should avoid having a dressing table and instead get a mirror on the back of your closet. This will save up a lot of space. In small bedrooms, it is a better idea to get a hang mirror instead of photo frames. The mirrors will add to the aesthetics of your small bedroom and also prove useful. 9. As mentioned before, there is no need to get furniture pieces you don't need. If your room is small and you need space, get foldable furniture. Foldable furniture is great as they provide you the facility and can be stacked under the bed or to a corner later. For small areas, it is a great idea to have dining tables that are small and compact. Moreover, if you don't get a lot of guests, you can skip the idea of a dining table or one with more than 2 chairs. 10. Yes, the length of your drapes is important. When getting curtains for your small bedroom, don't just pay special attention to the color of the drapes, but also make sure they don't touch the floor. The principle behind this is that letting your drapes touch the floor stops the flow of the room. The same goes for furniture, where you should let the legs show. Allow the eye to move by keeping the drapes shorter and legs of the furniture visible. Tie them up nicely so the room feels airy by ventilation from the room. 11. Probably the best and most accurate thing to carry out with your small bedroom. Know by adding a lot of things you are not causing clutter. Avoid unnecessary items and decorations that will only make you feel suffocated. 12. A small bedroom will obviously have smaller windows. By having wider and higher drapes, you are basically helping yourself feel like the window is large in scale. Mount your drapes over the window frames and let them fall. Take ropes to tie them up nice. 13. The bed sheet and quilt you use in your bedroom should not have sharp colors or patterns. Since the bed in your room is the largest furniture in sight, keep the color of the sheet light. Lighter and brighter colors always help lift the mood too. 14. Consider your room a painting or a drawing where you have limited space. You need to adopt the right movement, whether horizontal or vertical. If your windows have vertical lines on it, get the dresser with vertical patterns. Don't break the flow. 15. This is a pro tip that should not be limited to your bedroom. A room that is well managed and organized is always better than a cluttered room. Keep your clothes in the drawer, pens in the jar, jewelry in its box. Leaving the floor clean and the bed made is the first thing that you can do to make your small bedroom look bigger and better. 16. A small bedroom does not need to have all the furniture pieces small. However, the thing to note here is that the scale you follow for your bed must be the same for your side table and dresser. Give your room a sense of unity so that all the furniture pieces stay in harmony with each other. 17. The color of your trim should be lighter than the wall. You might not have heard about it before, but it's true. The lighter wall paint on the trim will reflect more light. Thus, more light will be available to reflect off the wall of the small bedroom. 18. The color of your room should make sense. The color you paint your wall should at least have some connection with your rug and furniture. Visual coherence is an important thing to master. Choose one color scheme and play around with it by using similar tints and shades for the rest of your items. 19. Many of us are not aware of this trick. The thing about transparent furniture pieces is that it tricks the brain into keeping the eye moving, resulting into creating space for illusion. Try keeping a translucent chair in front of the desk, and it might not even feel like it's there. 20. This trick is an obvious one, but most of us fail to understand it. The perception of space can be created by making the right use of it. Avoid having furniture that is too large and always buy a sofa with legs. If you can, purchase a chair rather than a bulky sofa. Also buy furniture that gives more than one purpose, like a bed with drawers in the bottom for additional space. And that's all for now. What do you think about this episode? Please share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. For more bedroom organizing ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.